Hey there, all you crazy crafters out there. Today we're making this stunning dual energy arrows string art piece. It's bold, modern, and full of meaning. One arrow pointing up, one pointing down, representing balance and energy flow. With just a few simple materials, we'll create a high-quality, handcrafted decor piece for your home. Let's dive in. Now let's sketch out our arrows. Using a ruler or a tape measure, find the center of your canvas and mark where the arrows will go. One canvas will have the arrow pointing up and the other pointing down. We'll start by adding the bold accent piece first, a striking teal arrow. Start by securing your yarn in the middle where we marked earlier. You want even tension so it looks smooth and structured. Snip off any excess yarn as you go. Let's highlight that teal arrow with an even brighter robin egg colored blue. Now let's get to creating the beautiful textured background by wrapping our canvas in white jute string and neutral colored yarn. We'll be using a simple looping technique with some braids and spirals to build the shape. Secure one end on the side with glue, then wrap it tightly, overlapping slightly to get full coverage. This gives the piece a clean woven effect while keeping it neutral so the bold teal arrows stand out. Moving on to the second canvas, we'll be using the exact same technique as we did with the last one. Currently, we're refining our DIY craft kits. Take our quick survey here and help us bring these kits to life. And while you're at it, check out our website at www.crazycraftcreations.com, where I already have select handmade wreaths and other decor in my shop. Oh, and by the way, we'll be crowdfunding soon through Kiva, and we can't wait to release our kits. Sign up for our email list to stay up to date on all our latest developments. All links will be listed in the description of this video below. Once your canvas is fully covered and sides are trimmed and secure, you're done. These mirrored arrows make a stunning statement when hung together, symbolizing balance and movement, expansion and grounding. What do you think? Would you try this for your home? Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!